I want to waste a second of your time, so just start right with the video. We made some really good money shorting VRA, and I'm really interested in buying it right now. Obviously, this is no financial advice, but yeah, we were waiting for a pump up, a view up with a retest. We got it. We got some really good trades after this short, like the one right here. But yeah, I'm waiting for a bigger trade that we can actually start right here at the beginning of this daily candle. So the idea would be for us to get some liquidations higher. And as you can see right here on VRA, we have liquidations above the, let's go to KuCoin. We have, and I want to go for the weekly because it doesn't have the greatest liquidity. So we want to be super careful. As you can see, we have liquidations at 11.6, 11.8, 12. But yeah, again, this is the only chart that doesn't really work well only on VRA because it's only available on Mexi and a bunch of smaller exchanges compared. It's not really available on Binance. But I'm still bullish on it. I can see bullish momentum. I can see ATR going up. But again, it's not my favorite coin to scalp just because of how volatile it is. I can go for a 2% move and then it can go 20% against me before going into profit. So it's not worth it for me to just scalp it here. So what I'll do is I'll use the low RSI super oversold conditions that we have on the daily chart, go in for a quick trade, for a quick retrace, and that's basically it. Regarding our current profits on meme coins, 262 grand, 30 grand on this new wallet. If you want to follow every single trade I have a link in the description for my signals chat and also my course. I priced it super cheap, so definitely do check it out. Love you with all my heart. I'll make another VRA video tomorrow. See you there.